When it comes to web hosting, we actually have a lot of choices. So we can have like GoDaddy. When you select your web hosting company, there are many factors that you will consider. Of course, the price and then the packages. For example, with GoDaddy WordPress hosting for $209 per month, you can have a basic web hosting with 10 gigabytes of storage, limited to 25,000 monthly visitors, and with SFTP access. And also, sabi dito, it comes with a free domain if you purchase an annual package, meaning you subscribe to them for 1 year. Okay, so that's for the basic from GoDaddy. There's the deluxe, and this is also their package, I mean the inclusions and the rate. Normally, when you check the web hosting packages, you have to look at the inclusions like the add-on domains or the hosted domains, meaning the website na kaya nilang ipa-host doon sa package na yon, and the storage. You have to really make sure na hindi ka mag-short ng storage, and also the bandwidth. Monthly visitors, meaning with GoDaddy web hosting plans, ibig sabihin dito is the bandwidth allocation for you. Okay, so aside from GoDaddy, personally, when I started as a blogger before, I started with HostGator. They have enticing packages also. For their web hosting package, for 100,000 monthly visitors, for one site only, they offer 1 gigabyte of storage with free SSL certificate for $5.95 per month. And of course, it will be more expensive as you avail of the higher packages they offer. Aside from HostGator, you can also check companies like DreamHost. Basically, they are more or less similar with HostGator. And also, I will encourage you to really research more on the different web hosting companies and see the comparisons from the blogs or from the resource website that you are reading from. And just like GoDaddy and HostGator, DreamHost has its own packages too. We have web hosting business din sa TechWorks, and our back end is Liquid Web. Liquid Web basically is very kind of expensive web hosting company, but they really offer good service. We have proven that. We have been with Liquid Web for 3 years now. TechWorks is a Liquid Web partner, and we offer their web hosting solutions on different kind of packages. We are able to offer their web hosting solution at a much cheaper price. Okay, so that's for the web hosting aspect. Now let's discuss the domain. So for the domain, guys, normally you can have companies like name.com. Some of the domains we have are with GoDaddy. Those companies na nagre-register ng web domain nyo, we call that one as domain registrars. So when you search for your domain, you just have to go to companies like GoDaddy.com. You can also have like name.com and also Namecheap. Normally, some of the trainees or participants or MSMEs simply just register the domain that they like. When you register your domain, you have to consider things like SEO, your brand, of course, and another thing is the use of the TLDs or the top level domain. These are the .coms, .net, the .org, and .info, .site, .pro. Don't rush or think about several times, a lot of times before you register your domain, so that later on you won't regret your domain name. Okay, so that's for the domain. Now, let's discuss SSL. Now, SSL or Secure Socket Layer, normally, this is what you see on the address bar on this one. This padlock basically represents SSL. So, when you visit a website like TechWorks website, now you will notice that there is a padlock next to the domain name or the website you are visiting. You can click on it to see if the website is secure. Now, as a e-commerce and digital marketing specialist or as an MSME, you really have to make sure, guys, that your website is SSL compliant. Nowadays, it's kind of a disadvantage if your website doesn't have SSL. Now, how are you going to have SSL? It involves buying what we call as SSL certificate. You can also purchase that one from your domain registrar or from your web hosting companies. Okay? But most of the web hosting companies actually offer SSL registration as you go along with the purchase. With TechWorks, we offer SSL for free.